Good evening, guys. Just a quick Sunday night analysis for the week ahead and also a recoup on how we've done this week. Just need to say, as always, any information given is not to be taken as trading advice or trading calls. It's for educational purposes only. Okay. So this week, how have we done? We had 5 losses, 3 break-evens, and 1 win today, which doesn't sound great, but it was only 0.29% loss on the week, which amounted to about $14. So the account's still in the green. We've still made money on this so far. What I've been looking at through my journal is what's been going on recently, where I've had a string of losers. It's mainly down to my stop losses being too close. So for the rest of the month, I'll be being less stingy on my stop losses, giving them a bit more room. Okay, so let's start with what trades are we holding at the moment. I've held crude over the weekend. The stops above the daily supply zone, so there isn't much chance of it being gapped out. We also held this through the NFP because the stop was quite big. We've got to get through this capping to the upside caused by the engulf that I'm pointing at here. Okay, and then if we do get through there, I'll be looking to see how price acts at around $30 a barrel. If it looks like it wants to carry on going down, I'll be trying to take profit around the 28.59 areas. Okay, I still think it can test these lows, and I'm kind of thinking this bull engulf to the upside was kind of a bull trap to get some liquidity, to get sellers, the big guys, to take position to the sell side. Okay. Other than that, that's the only position in at the moment. Okay, so what other trades are we looking at to take this week? We'll be looking at to try and get in on the UCAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar, to the sell side. So I've actually made some slides for this to make it quicker. So anywhere in this orange box, I'll be looking to get short, right down to the 1.3465 areas. We've got some trend line confluence and resistance going on in here. So anywhere in that yellow box, ideally it'd be nice on the resistance at 1.4040. Okay, as simple as that for that one. Next we have Australian dollar, US dollar. So you can see that we've got the bearish price action that we wanted on the daily chart. We've been talking about this quite a lot in my analysis videos. Looking at the monthly chart, we've tested supports at 0.6030. We got kind of a weak reaction off that. I think there's potential to see more moves to the downside now. It's looking great for short trades. A bit like with crude, we've got to break past this capping to the upside. So what I expect tomorrow is some retracement back into these areas, and then if you look at, sorry, I'll just move on to the right slide. Okay, so 4-hour chart, retrace up towards the 0.7191 areas to get short. Perhaps wait for price action on that, or I might just take it based on the daily price action. Okay, and then we'll see how price reacts when we get down to the 0.6960 areas. That's the weekly demand, but I'm thinking that we could break that and carry on going down to test the monthly demand areas. Okay, and last but not least, gold. So as you can see on the gold, let's go to monthly chart. We're right up into the resistance level now. I didn't expect price to get that high up into there. So the question is now, is what, are we going to turn here? This is kind of the line in the sand at 1178. Are we going to turn here, or are we going to carry on going? If we carry on going, I think we could see 1205. And then if we can break above 1231, then for me that says a long-term retracement on gold. Okay. So what I will be looking to do tomorrow, or actually probably on the Asian Open, is perhaps take a very small risk short at this level, because like I say, we're at the periphery, the very edge um, of this zone now. If it gets any higher than there, then I think we could break through these levels um, at the 1, 2, 2, 3 areas. Okay, so if I can take a short here, the risk is small and there's potential for us to get a lot of reward if it moves right down to 105.2. Um, the the, the price action on this, you can see it's kind of like a cup shape, and we've capitulated it into these highs. This aggressive move up could mean just trying to trick the short-term traders to get in long, so that longer-term sellers can uh, make sales at a decent price for them without marking the price down against them. So I'll be looking at trying to get short, and we'll see what happens from there. And that's it for analysis. I'm not seeing anything else on 4 hour or above, but as usual, I'll be putting my analysis on Twitter as I go tomorrow for the lower time frame trades. Okay, and that's it. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Cheers.